Good morning, students. Class 12, Home Science, Chapter 2, Development in Adolescence, Part 2, Social, Emotional, and Cognitive Development. Today, we will learn about social development, emotional development, and cognitive development. Here we will discuss about social development. What is social development? Social development occurs intentionally in adolescence. The meaning of social development is the ability to behave in accordance with social beliefs and to coordinate with others. Under this stage, social development can be understood by the following points. First point is social behavior. Child social circle become vast as the child grows up and the role in society outside the home becomes progressively important for the development of his personality. Second point is group formation. The gang of childhood gradually breaks up at the puberty and during early adolescence as the individual's interest shifts from the saturnizes play activities of childhood to the less strenuous and more formal social activities of adolescence. Now, third point is adolescence friendship. Who are their peers? Next, whose choice and ways are in adolescence with them, who have personality characteristic of their choice, who understand them, who are their equal socio-economic status, who conform to their ideals and values. Now, next point is leader. There should be innate qualities in teenage in order to become a leader which are superior to the qualities of the other members of the group are appreciated by them. Now next is social maturity. Teens become social mature to handle their new situation successfully until the end of adolescence. As a member of the group, now he has adequate knowledge of his proper place and work. Now we will discuss about emotional development. What is emotional development? Child psychologist G. Stanley Hall has described adolescence as a state of storm and stress. At this stage of life cycle, physical changes due to secretion of glands create a sense of emotional instability and stress. The major emotions of adolescence are as follows. First point is anger. Conditions that raise anger in adolescence are mostly social, like teasing, making fun, criticism, parental or teachers' inappropriate behavior, interruption and punishment, not providing proper facilities, etc. Second is fear. In adolescence, childhood fears are replaced by new fears like the fear of being alone in the dark, fear of going alone outside at the night, fear of living among many people or strangers, fear of their performance in school, etc. Now, next point is anxiety. Fear is replaced by the anxiety as age increases. Anxiety is the feeling of worry, nervousness, or unease about something with an uncertain outcome. Now, next point is jealous. Jealousy is the childish moment, but in the adolescence, it is displayed in intense and hidden forms. Adolescents are jealous of those companions who get more freedom and facilities or who are more successful in academic, sports, or other activities. Envy. Young children often become envious of the abilities of material professions of another child. Not only adolescents want them to have the same amount of facilities such as lavish house or bungalow, great car, expensive clothes, cellular phone, prestige, freedom to go to hotels, etc., as their friends have. Now, curiosity. The natural curiosity of adolescent is suppressed in external restrictions. Now, his curiosity is about the physical changes in self, sex, and relation of men and women. Now, cognitive development. Thinking ability of children comes in order on the onset adolescence. For example, asking a little child to draw, he would make a favorite picture and fill the color of his choice, whether the color are stable or not. While giving a subject to the teenager for drawing, uh, after contemplating the topic, he will draw a layout of picture and color in his mind. Then he will make an outline on the paper with the light hand. Once the outline is formed, it will gradually fill with light color. The real and attractive color will provide the final finishing after the decoration so that the picture appears very attractive and realistic. The following changes seen in teenagers due to cognitive development as compared to the children are. First point is teenagers are serves critics. The attitude of watching and testing the surroundings and environment, self-interested is logic and analytic, which have a great effects on their personal, social and emotional level. Second point is in late adolescence period, adolescents do not wish to work under adults as their subordinates due to their increasing critical capabilities. They establish their own imaginary idol and begin to take themselves as a major reformer in the world. Now, next point is along with the cognitive development, teens develop a unique language of their own in which there is combination of Hindi and English. Now, thus the following characteristic develop in adolescence: the ability of logical thinking, problem solving ability, ability to understand the difference in real and artificial, ability to launch real experience in imaginary situations, ability to develop hypotheses. Thank you.